Hi, welcome to my cooking program. My name is Alex. Today I'm going to show you typical South Indian biryani. Until now there is a mystery behind who invented biryani, nobody knows, but everybody makes their own biryani in their own style. When you go to South India, it's different biryani style. When you go to North and East, West, it's different style of cooking biryani is here. When you go to Pakistan, they make a different style. When you go to Iran, they make a different style. When you go to Arab world, they make a different style. But now today I'm going to show you one of the typical South Indian biryani, village biryani. It's from south part of India, place called Tirunelveli. Is a little south, close to Kanyakumari. Is the end part of Indian sectors, Indian side. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I'm from a village background, typical South Indian biryani, how we cook at my village. So that's what I'm going to show you in this program. Before we start cooking, let's check what are the ingredients we need for cooking that South Indian biryani. You saw what are the ingredients you need. Let's start cooking. We took a pot, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm going to add 15 ml oil, mix with the ghee. Once the ghee melt, add 3 bay leaves, 2 cardamoms, 3 cloves, 5 black peppercorns whole of cinnamon stick. Now we are going to add 2 large onions. Cook for a while. See, the onions is getting brown. Don't make it black. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 2 chili. You can just break and just put it inside. 2 chili. Mix it. Once onion, garlic, everything is cooked. Now I'm going to add 2 tomatoes, sliced tomatoes, or you can cut whatever you want it. I'm going to add salt. When you add the salt, it cooks very fast. Okay, now we are going to add 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, Kashmiri chili, 1.5. Then half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it. Okay, now you can see the oil is coming onto the surface. Now we are going to add 20 grams of mint leaves and 15 grams of coriander leaves. So mint leaves and coriander leaves I added. Cook for just 2 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. 2 tablespoons of yogurt. So mix it just for 2 minutes. Okay, now we are going to add a little bit of lemon. Just use maybe like a half teaspoon only, not too much. Now you can see the oil is coming out from the surface. Now we are going to add the chicken, half kilo of chicken. Don't make the chicken into big pieces, make it small ones. Okay, stir it nicely. Cook for at least 7 to 8 minutes till the chicken cooks. The chicken is almost 90% is cooked already. Now we are going to add water. 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cup of water. So I took 2 cup of rice. So I'm going to add 3 cup of water. Mix little bit. Let it boil for a while. So now see the color. It looks very good. And check this salt. So if you need more salt, you can add the salt now. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add the soaked rice. The rice I soaked almost 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. I took 2 cup of basmati rice. I'm going to add inside. You have to gentle very carefully with the love and passion. You have to stir it. Okay, don't stir too much. Okay, now I'm going to put the cover. Let it cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes. See, now the water is gone already, is dry already on the top. Stir very gently. Okay, very gently. We turn off. Okay, now we are going to put some dum. So this is iron metal on the bottom. Then I put the biryani on the top of the metal plate. Then I put the hot water. So this is called dum. Okay. So I remove from the dum. So let's see how it looks, the biryani. Wow. See the rice has to be like this. Always see. It has to be like separated, okay, not like a sticky. Okay, so very gently take a fork, very gently stir it. Okay, don't mix too hard. So this is called dum biryani. It's typical South Indian chicken biryani, you can see. So we'll plate it now. See how it looks, very nice. Yummy biryani came. Put nice cashew nuts inside, raisins, fried onions, mint leaves, some coriander leaves, some eggs on the top. So this is typical South Indian biryani. So this is what we serve in south part of India. Okay, very simple and easy. So now you saw the procedures how to make typical South Indian biryani. So this is what we make. We don't make a layer biryani. We make like a cooked rice and chicken all together, and we'll put the dum. Okay, you saw what is the dum is all about. Okay, we don't normally in India what we do, we use a charcoal, but here we don't have a charcoal. What I did, I put some flat pan on the bottom, lid or something flat iron metal. Then I put the biryani on the top. Then I put some hot water on the top, so we can get. So when you make the heat from the top and heat from the bottom, very slow fire, so it gives a nice, very not sticky biryani. It's like a very very nice, and the rice is not sticky together. Okay, so this is what the biryani is all about. I hope you enjoy this video. So please try at home, give us feedbacks. Till then, take care, see you, bye.